You fill in a very, very simple form, the name of your business, your industry, and your subcategory. You describe your business in a few words. You choose your font, you pick your brand color, and that's it. You click Create Marketing Campaign, and then our AI engine goes to work, building your website, your keywords, your newsletter, your social marketing, and then it's done. Now you choose whether you want to start with a free trial or skip the free trial and start right away. Enter your name, email, phone number, address, pick your language, credit card number, and that's it. You're ready to go. Your account is set up, and now we can explore. So the first thing that I see is that my example here for a car dealership, my website is built for me. It's got the name of my business, my location, a description of my business, a form to learn more where you can collect leads. We've built your about section with your name, your location, your email address, your phone number, and an image gallery with images that have been pre-selected and optimized by AI. I also have social marketing ready to go. Our AI engine has selected suggested posts that you can immediately start making on Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn and elsewhere. So this first post that was recommended is about how data is changing the automotive industry. So I think that's a pretty cool article. I'm going to go ahead and post it. So I click post. I select Facebook. I approve the post. I see it is instantly added to my timeline. I go back into my account. I confirm that I've posted that article. Now the system confirms that my social marketing is done. That was pretty easy. We then ask if I would like to add this article to my blog. But I don't have a blog. Yes, I do. The system has automatically created a blog on my landing page. So I say yes. And now my blog is done. Right? And that content, that fresh content, is helping to increase the search engine ranking of my website. System asks if I would like to email this article out as a newsletter to my followers. I say yes. And that's done too. If I am a recipient of this newsletter, I open my email and this is what I see. A professional newsletter with an image of the article. If I scroll down, there's a Learn More button in my chosen color. I click it, which drives traffic back to my landing page. And as I scroll down to the bottom, I now see that my blog has been automatically added to my landing page. Speaking of that email, if you want to edit your newsletter, just go to your email section, click edit, and you can make whatever changes you want. But we're not done here. We've also built your online app using all of the data at our disposal after running more than 1 billion ads in 200 different industries. So the image is pre-selected. The language of the ad, the wording is optimized. The location is set based on my address. And the age and gender and keyword targeting is all done and all optimized by AI. And of course, I can control all of this from our completely revamped analytics section. So to summarize, my website is done. It is optimized for search engine ranking. My online ad is done. My social media marketing is done. My blog is done. My email marketing is done. Leads are going into a customer relationship management system or CRM. That's done too, automatically. And my analytics are done. That's an awful lot to get done. And when you think about it, what did I do as a customer to get started? All I did, I filled in this form. The name of my business, my industry, my description, I picked my fonts, and I picked my color. That was it. And my entire online marketing presence was built and optimized instantly by our system. And that's why we say, your marketing done.